Thanks for tuning in for another Essential RC flight test, and this is what we've got. We've got the little new SU-27 from our friends at Hobby King. This is a bind and fly model, comes almost ready to fly, comes with the receiver and a gyro system in it. All you've got to do is to put these elevons on either side, just put them into the servos. The arms, the servo arms, are actually glued into the elevon control surfaces, and then you have to glue these two vertical stabilizers on. When you set it up, you use a 3-position switch on channel 5, so that you can go between advanced, beginner, and the gyro being off. Don't know why it's doing that.
I want you to just fly.
It's getting bored of you talking, Dom.
Okay, it's just trying to tell me something. And then on a roller switch, a dial. What am I talking about? On a dial, you can change the gain on the gyro as well. So I've got it turned down at the moment. So enough beeping already. Let's fly. Yeah, it wanted me to put in a bit of throttle. Shall I just do that intro again very quickly? So I seem a bit more professional.
Maybe afterwards.
So I think we're going to start with gyro off. Here we go. Where's the wind? Up this way. Great fun with the wind actually. If there's a little bit of light wind, you can play around with it.
It is, yeah, it's really quick. Probably the hardest thing I've ever had to record because it changes direction so fast.
Oh, yes! There you go. Bind and fly SU-27. A lot of fun, but obviously only for very light winds outside or for indoors. And you can have fun playing between the different gyro settings with it off or in expert or beginner mode, and you can play with the gain as well on a dial. But thanks for watching this one. If you want to see more Essential RC flight tests, then please subscribe and hit that button so you get notifications of our videos as well. But thanks for watching this one. See you next time. A bit of a rudder would be useful, wouldn't it?
Just about.
See, that's what I did. Fumble.
I'll try it on myself then.
Hold on. That's an ideal target.
It's alright, isn't it?
It is. Once you get the hang of the fact it is quite quickly.
Yeah.
Hey! You were flying it really smoothly, Tom. Nice. All right, there we go. That's the new Hobby King SU-27. Little profile plane binder fly. It's a winner.
It's a winner.
World's smallest little motor.